In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Figma file so that others can edit it. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you can confidently give your teammates or clients editing access without accidentally locking them out or exposing more than you intend to. First, open the Figma file you want to share. Look towards the upper right corner of the Figma interface. There, you'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the main sharing window where you control who can access your file and what they're allowed to do. Inside this sharing window, you'll see a section that defines who can open the file. There's an option that typically says something like anyone with the link or a similar phrase. Click on the part that refers to anyone. This is where you choose the level of access people will have when they use the link to your file. Once you've clicked that, you'll see a drop-down or set of options that includes different permission levels, such as Can View and Can Edit. To allow others to actually work on the design with you, select Can Edit. Click on Edit to change the permission from viewing only to full editing rights. This is an important step, because if you leave it on Can View, people will only be able to look at your designs, not modify them. After setting the permission to edit, make sure you confirm this change. Look for a button or option to save your settings, then click on Save. This locks in the new access level so that the link and invitations you send will actually give people editing privileges. Now, if you want to invite specific people directly rather than just relying on a link, look for the field where you can add collaborators. In that field, type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Take a moment to double check the spelling, because Figma will use this exact email to send the invitation and assign access. Once you've entered the email and confirmed that the permission is set to Can Edit, click on the Invite button. Figma will send an invitation to that email address, and the person will be able to open the file and start editing as soon as they accept. And that's all you need to do to share a Figma file for others to edit.